Hi family, it's Herbalist Viola, and today it's going to be a little different. Every Tuesday, I'm going to make sure that I answer the subscribers' questions. So just send us an email at support@verywisealternatives.com. Yes, I'm asking you to send me your email to what question you need me to answer. And if I cannot answer it, I will send it to other herbalists that will email you and answer your questions. So if I don't announce it on air, that means it's not my lane. So I will send it to another herbalist and they will email you personally. So I'll do my best to answer your emails in a timely manner. So definitely send us your emails so we'll have them answered by Tuesdays. I'm trying to do something different so I can make sure I'm trying to do something different so I can try to pretty much answer your questions, because I get a lot of questions, and I notice my messages getting full. Do a video, and then I can answer your questions faster, and then I notice that I'm getting the same questions. But I just want to make sure I answer the question. I did get a question about why do females or why should we wipe from front to back? How can I put this? The reason why you wipe from from front to back, because you do not want to get any stool or any bacteria inside of your vagina. So that's the main reason you want to always wipe from front to back. Same thing when you wash. You wash around inside the lips, and then you just wipe down, just wipe from front to back to make sure you don't get anything inside. So to answer that question, moving on, I know I had a question, the next question, during my collaboration with herbalist Kareem. Someone asked what olive oil I recommend. The olive oil I use is from Mom's Organic. I'm not sure if you have Mom's Organic, and no, I'm not promoting it, but this is just what I use. There's two. Um, just what I use, Herbalist Viola use. I use the organic extra virgin olive oil cold press extract. And I also, I'm not recommending it. I'm just telling you what I use, because somebody did ask, "Hey, I saw you on Herbalist Kareem," and they wanted to make sure that I answer. So I want to make sure I answer your question, because it was on there twice. So I also use the organic, again, extra olive oil, and this is imported. It's cold press is imported, and it's imported from Italy. And just what I use personally. So those what I use. And I know, well, the next question, why do I always say about pooping 3 times a day? The only reason why I stress about you going, because I want to make sure you're going. I want to make sure you're going naturally. The best thing, I do not want you taking the castor oil and turpentine. No, this is nothing that you take every day. No, this is nothing you take every day. The Casti Wise X. No, you do not take that every day. This is something that if you want to do a good cleanse, and I mean a cleanse, and I mean a cleanse. So this is only, you would do this maybe once or twice a year. It's always best to do a cleanse. That's the main reason why we tell you to do a cleanse. You do a cleanse on all your organs, do a cleanse on your blood. It just all depends on the type of food that you eat. If you're a meat eater, you want to cleanse 4 times a year. Yes, every season. And everyone else, you could do it twice or once a year, just to make sure you get everything out. Make sure you resetting your body, because that's the main thing about resetting your body. And that's the main reason why I definitely want you to poop every day, because if you're eating 3 meals, 4 meals, eating junk foods, you want it to come out. You want it to come out. You want the nutrients to stay in your body, and you want the rest to come out. So we're going to talk about some different ways that you can actually help your body go naturally. So that's why I have some of these spices and herbs, because I want you to add this to your body, because this will help you go 3 times a day. So what I do every morning, Well, it depends on what I'm doing and what I feel like. But I definitely do my apple cider vinegar in the morning. I know I recommend that to you guys when I'm looking for my cup. Here we go. When I get up in the morning, I just pour me a cap full of apple cider vinegar, and I always recommend that to you guys. Pour a cap full of apple cider vinegar. Yes, you want the apple cider vinegar with the mother. I'm not going to show you which one this is, but you want the apple cider vinegar with the mother, and you see it on underneath, and you just drink it down. You want to drink this as soon as you get up. You get a good stretch. Drink this when you wake up. It is strong, and it helps you naturally. Okay, so like I said, you get up in the morning, and on my other videos, you do hear me talk about good gut health, and if you end up having leaky gut, we'll talk about that later. But here we're going to just stay on why should you poop 3 times a day. And the reason why I do the apple cider vinegar, because the apple cider vinegar is like a natural, it's a natural remedy for your body. That's the main reason why I do the apple cider vinegar. It actually aids in the nutrients in your body, and it actually lowers your blood sugar. Next, I want to talk about ginger. Yes, ginger is also great. You hear me talk about ginger a lot. Ginger is an anti-inflammatory, and it actually improves circulation. So this is good for you to take to help regulate as well. This will definitely help you regulate. Just gonna go, you can add this in your foods. It promotes circulation all over your body and your digestion as well. And that's the main reason why I tell you to do those ginger shots. As far as the licorice root is also wonderful for your body. It's a mild laxative, and it helps with stomach cramps. So I would definitely incorporate that. You just put a little. You could put the ginger. You can make tea. You can put this on salads. There's so many different things you can do with licorice root and ginger. Next is coriander seeds. If you look at coriander seeds, it's what it does. It breaks down your foods better. It's an antibacterial, and it removes fungus and bacteria from your body. So this is also great. And you can add that. A lot of people make this in the tea, just grind it up. And of course, we already know cayenne pepper. Cayenne pepper, it breaks down your food, helps with weight loss, and it actually reduces hunger. So all of these actually helps. Spices and herbs, we want to make sure you incorporate spices and herbs so your body will go naturally. If you put this in your diet or in your foods, one thing I don't like to say diet. What I'm saying is, if you incorporate this in your life, incorporate these types of foods in your life, especially the apple cider vinegar, because that is wonderful to take every day. It just makes your body go naturally. And also I incorporate the superfood, which is the chia seeds. If you do chia seeds, which is wonderful for your body also. Chia seeds, it has the fiber, and it helps you go. So chia seeds, all these different things are different things that you can use for your body to help you go naturally. And you want to go naturally. You want your body to reset and go naturally, so you're going every day to help the foods that you eat digest faster and give you the nutrients in your body. So that's the main reason why I always say that you should poop every day. And of course, getting your exercise, because if you notice that if you feeling a little sluggish and full after dinner, the main thing you should do is get up and go for a walk. Just get up, have your family just go out and go for a walk. Just do like 10-20 minutes, enjoy the night air. And it actually, the motion of walking, it actually helps, with the exercise, it actually helps your food digest. So there you have it. I only had 3 messages that I wanted to answer, just a quick video. So if you want me to answer your message, shoot Very Wise Alternatives, shoot Viola, Herbalist Viola, email at support@Very Wise Alternatives. You see it listed now, and just shoot us your message, and we'll definitely answer it Tuesday morning by 10 o'clock. So yes, we're going to commit to that. And this is for my subscribers. So if you are my subscriber on YouTube, we will answer your question. So definitely hit the like button, subscribe. You guys, please just subscribe, and hit the notification, hit all, and you'll make sure you'll get my next video. All right, you guys have a wonderful day. Bye.